Nakibe 1 million viewers yan. So. Uy, dili ka, Mars? Dili ka o dili ako?
Birthday celebrant.
No, kung di ka kay Pratang Tulo.
Magpagikulo ito. Marisa
Hindi ka, Mars.
nagtatago palagi.
Uy, magtago kayo muna, matawi mga naong. Ang problema ko muna ako muna ito. Ano?
Alam mo, naka-robe tayo.
Ang sarap ng sinigang.
Wala kay viewers.
Pakita
Ayan mo
po.
sila.
Pakita mo.
Hindi ka makikita.
O, ayan.
Chicken.
Oh my God. Mga mukhang iwan.
8 years ago, the issue was crime stops. And the new Trump administration
Lagay mo lang yun, eh.
happy with the
Just siya kasi, para makita ka ba?
That was not an issue.
Dito ka, oh? Ang kulit. Ito. Ang laki naman ng kaldero kasi nakaharang.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Yan.
Ang sarap ng mackerel. Ang sarap ng mackerel. Ah!
Ano sige siya sa chan mo? Ang taso kung saan.
Hindi ba na? Kaya mo ka i-Christy.
Steelwood Company introduced it.
Wala mo tayo viewers.
Mamaya magpe-picture na lang. Magpe-picture dapat na lang tayo sana.
Eating a Filipino way. Eating with our hands.
Wala kang sabaw.
No, ito naman ko na kababuha.
Good evening, everybody.
Wala mo
I
tayo
am,
viewers.
I was appointed by President
Panawagan.
Trump to be the special envoy for
Shout
the
out
peace of
to-
the Middle East.
Wala pa siya naka-online sa Pilipinas.
Bakit ano?
Oh, na
Wala kang sabaw.
Namilig yung mackerel tino?
May pa-test out.
Kailangan meron kang ano.
Sukalat yun.
Some of the things we're doing,
Hindi ka man mahilig sa patis.
Nga tayo 1 million viewers.
Sa patis.
Trump's policies.
Wala pati sila.
First of all, it is
Gusto mo ng patis?
Hindi ka.
today
Baka si Chris ayaw na.
as I reflect on the enormity of the role
Wala pa kayong bulan?
President Trump is
That's very, ano na kaya?
Nga, may bulan.
Ma...
It is to serve under the
We have dried fish.
of my boss,
Celebrating
Jay Trump.
Trump's inauguration and birthday party.
Yeah. Ano to? Pang mayaman na ulam to.
Ano ko na yung
His
nakita
presidency
dito?
has provided a clear, bold vision for the Middle East, and it is this vision that guides every step
Tinago
of
ko
the
eh.
mission.
Maglalaro ko
President
ng
Trump's
rice eh.
leadership
Yeah.
has redefined what is
Here's his
possible
Ang sarap.
in the pursuit of progress
Oh my
and stability in the Middle East.
Excuse.
His decisive, pragmatic approach
Uy,
ensures that even the most entrenched
sinap na ko yun.
Excuse ko te.
Ang sarap ng ano,
perspective,
Indian mackerel.
Nawa ang kanon, buti na gano'n.
his policies have already delivered remarkable successes.
Kung sa'yo mong gusto
Such as
sis?
yesterday's
Rice
release
mo.
of hostages in Gaza.
Ang sarap ng ano, mackerel.
Sarap, uy. Amalit
Ano
ay
siya?
kuani te.
Ha?
Amalit ay kuani.
Oh my God. I'm very...
Sa Asian store to.
Mga unta.
Pag ano siya.
Demonstrates the strength of President Trump's leadership and the respect
Oh,
Ano siya, malinamnam.
danggit.
stage. It is yet another example of
Malinamnam.
visibility
Mas
in
malinamnam.
the most complex and challenging situations.
Ako lang ha, ako lang naghigop ng sabaw.
Testament to his vision and determination.
Ikaw pa kutsa-kutsara ka pa eh.
Yung fried fish.
Historic progress to the region, transforming old rivalries into new alliances.
Ba't wala kang okra?
These agreements
Okra eh.
Nga, umugulog ko no.
they represent a
Dami-dami dyan.
roadmap
Sa
for
dinamin
economic cooperation and mutual respect
Mahilig siya naman.
across
So, tinas
nations.
ko ang Trump.
My role as
Dami-dami ng
President
ulam.
has asked me is straightforward yet found it challenging.
Okra.
Turned his vision
Tapos
Sinigang na
tatatlo.
okra.
action.
Tatatlo lang tayo. Diyos ko po. Tapos may pansit pa. Uy, hindi.
He lays
Hindi nyo nila.
May
and
fried
he
chicken.
inspires people like
May
me
putumaya, may
to follow.
suman.
My responsibility is to
Ano ba yung
implement
isang
his vision.
Oo.
Engaging with
Trying to
leaders
connect.
across the region to find
Boom.
pathways towards
Nawala ang light.
sustainable
It's okay.
peace and stability. And let me tell you, having Donald Trump as
Mm.
boss
Next week
makes
na
this
sa
path not only